Okay, in this video, I'm going to guide you how you can make changes in your profile settings, how you can update your or change your password. Okay, to do that, you will see this profile icon over here. Click on the drop down. Let's say you want to change your profile details. You click on my profile, and then you will see few details. Obviously, your name, your email address, and your country and city is freeze. You can't change it. You can change your mobile number. You can update your profile photo. Okay, if you want, you can change your password also. Again, to change your password, go to the profile icon, drop down, then change password, and enter your current password, then enter your new password and update. So this way you can change your password also. And if you want to log out, simply click over here and then click on log out, and you will be logged out of our website. And whenever you want, you can log in again and update your information. I hope I am able to guide you properly as to how to list your property on HotelonCall.com, how to add your rooms, how to manage them, how to add your contact details. And if you still have any question, you can simply go to our contact us page, and you have my number over here. You have my the email ID. You can drop us the email on help@hotelancall.com, or you can simply call me or WhatsApp me on this number.